In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity tool designed to help teams manage projects, tasks, and workflows all in one place. Whether you're preparing a report, sharing updates, or archiving important information, exporting your workspace to a PDF is a simple and effective way to share or save your data. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process, so you'll know exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, open your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your projects. Once you're in, navigate to the team space that you want to export. This is important because ClickUp organizes your data into different spaces, and you'll want to ensure you're working in the correct one to avoid exporting information that isn't relevant to your needs. Next, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right team space. Double-check your selection to avoid any mix-ups. It's always better to pause here than to realize later that you exported the wrong information. Now, locate the Overview option in the navigation area. Depending on your workspace setup, this might appear in the left-hand menu or at the top of your screen. Once you've found it, click on it to open the Overview section. This is where you'll find the option to export your data. Within the Overview section, look for the Download PDF option. It's usually labeled clearly to make the process straightforward. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it to start the export process. At this point, the PDF will begin processing. Be patient and wait for the system to complete the task. It's important not to click the button multiple times, as this could cause delays or create duplicate downloads. Just let it process, and the file will be ready shortly. Once the download is complete, check your browser's downloads tray or your computer's downloads folder. This is where the file will typically be saved. If you don't see it right away, you can also use your computer's search function to locate the file quickly. Finally, open the PDF to review its contents. You can now share it with your team, print it for reference, or archive it for future use. The exported PDF is a great way to keep a snapshot of your workspace in a format that's easy to access and distribute. If you're new to ClickUp and don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and start managing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.